Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedy.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you in just 2 minutes whiten yellow teeth and turn it to pearl shiny white. And my friends, the result will amaze you from first use. It is for occasional, if you want to whiten your teeth for occasional or something coming up, you can use this remedy. It whitens the teeth and it removes the plaque, and it's not gonna make you go to the dentist. It's super effective remedy, super helpful. It nourish the nerves of your teeth and will get an amazing results. If you do have nerve problem, this will help you and it relaxes the pain. And my friends, this remedy works 100%, but you cannot use it every day because it contains baking soda and it's harsh for your teeth enamel. So use it occasionally when you want to whiten your teeth at home. The first ingredient we need is cumin seeds, and we need to grind it fine into a powder in order to start the remedy. And also we need cloves, and we need to grind it fine into a fine powder. Now in a clean mixing bowl, add one teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, then add on it 1 teaspoon of ground cloves, and I'm going to leave the ingredients into the description box for you. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and you cannot use baking powder. Baking soda is the ingredient that you need to use in that remedy. Then my friends, we need 1 lemon. Cut the lemon in half and squeeze 1 fresh lemon juice like so. Mix well all the ingredients. Now while it's foaming like so, dip in your toothbrush into the remedy like that and brush your teeth with that remedy. It whitens the teeth and it removes plaque and will get you an amazing result from first use. It helps with nerve problems and with all teeth problems. This will work for you 100%, my friends.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.